Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So another fine morning out here in Wyoming. Fairly quiet with the exception of a sprinkler, which is kind of ironic because where we just came from Maryland, we would almost do anything in our power to prevent the overgrowth of the lawn, which would seemingly grow 6 inches overnight. But here we are, actually trying to get our desert here to have some grass. But let's talk about the 4Runner. The 4Runner TRD Pro. This is a 2019 Voodoo Blue 4Runner TRD Pro, of course, for those of you who don't frequent the channel. But these are my TE37xt M-spec wheels, 17-inch with a -20 offset. They're wrapped in some BFGoodrich KO2s, which are 285/70/17 tires. So these are the same exact set, of course, that I had on my 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, my electric line metallic, recently. But these, I am so excited to actually put on to the 4Runner because I think this is going to be a phenomenal look. And this is just, of course, a glimpse of it with the tires in front of the stock TRD wheels with the Toyota grapplers. So there's a quick side-by-side of the actual tread. Excuse the dog hair and spider webs. So I do think the Toyota grappler is perhaps the most aggressive tire that actually comes on any of the TRD Pros. And of course are offered just on the 4Runner TRD Pro. These KO2s do bring it up a level. And I just love the white lettering out, and I think that'll look phenomenal. You guys know I've done this look before, but I've never done TE37s on a 4Runner, especially with a -20 offset. So I'm kind of nervous, but also very excited to see how this turns out. I should have made it clear from the beginning, but I will be doing a Westcott Designs lift, the Westcott Designs perch lift, to bring it up the appropriate amount. Hopefully the appropriate amount to allow these to move freely within there without too much, hopefully no modification, but I think there'll be a little bit. Try not to trip over any dogs. Puppy dog feature. Hey buddy. Hi buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, we're getting swarmed. We're getting swarmed. Okay. So I think that's going to look awesome. I'm excited to see it. This is, out of all the 4Runners, it has always been my dream color. Trying to get this one, especially with the mileage that I got it with. So super excited to see this come together. I think I'm going to keep the stock roof rack on. I considered getting a Westcott Designs roof rack, or Prinsu perhaps, but I think I'm gonna keep that because I do like the look of it. It does already, of course, have, what's going on there? I was trying to pull the rock. That'd be something. How he pulls that out, falls. Oh, we got two. You'd think I put a bone under there. But at any rate, I'm gonna keep that stock. The window tint is super dark. I would argue it's probably 5%. Maybe 15. Nah, I really do think it's 5% because it is darker, notably darker than the Tundra over there. The Tundra is 20% all around, and this feels darker. So I'm not a huge fan of that, nor am I a huge fan of the visor, the visor strip across. I've never liked that. You guys know I've tried that before, but it's just the way it came, of course. The previous owner did that. One thing I actually didn't note with you guys is this was a pleasant surprise. So we have some LED lights up here. So these are probably the 4Runner lifestyle LED lights, integration lights that you can get. So those were on, of course, and the entire vehicle has blue LEDs, almost over the top, for being honest. Blue LEDs all throughout it, like in the rear hatch lights, the dome lights. Actually, I don't know about the dome lights, the door lights, but it is borderline overdone. But let me know what you think of the TE37s with the BFGoodrich KO2s here, the 285/70/17s. Tell me if that is going to be a sweet look. Yeah, it's definitely quite the height difference. I mean, I'd argue, what, 1.5 inches there? Maybe 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches. There's the width, for anybody curious. Let me just show you the side over here. So that's what they look like stock, which I like them. These TRD wheels are always, I don't know, I'm a big fan. I don't think there's any of the TRD wheels on the TRD Pros that I don't like. And I think, you know, these aren't an exception. So Nitto Terra grapplers, of course, 17-inch wheels as well. But these are 265, you can see right here, 265 70 17s, upside down. So I am excited to see what that -20 offset looks like, because you know, these are pretty tucked in, right? I mean, they're not protruding whatsoever. But I've never thought that this was a bad look, so I think this is good. All right, team. That is all for this video. Just wanted to show you this, and you know, let me see what your thoughts are. So I appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.